Happy afternoon, my sustainability friends. It's a great event that whole world would be adopting this sustainability development goals. We feel that world cannot be sustainable without India, and this is what Mr. Yuri has also said. And we also feel that India cannot be sustainable without sustainability efforts of business. And business can also not be sustainable until unless each and every person who is involved in the business thinks of sustainability. If you look at these 17 sustainability goals, we all would find that in one way or other, we all are working towards these goals, and they are nothing great than like the normal business goals. And that's why we call them, it's a business and social goals. Friends, when we analyzed what these 17 goals are and how do they matter to overall business as well, how these gets aligned with our Dalmia Bharat Cement Group, then we found that there's a great similarity. And only difference is, yes, these goals would help us in creating more focus, understanding in more detail, targeting very specifically. And that's why we have in our group today decided to adopt these sustainability development goals, and now in each and every year we would be reporting in our sustainability reports on these progresses, these achievements of SDGs. Friends, when we looked into it, we found that our vision, which says that we have to be leader in business, building materials by evoking pride in all stakeholders through innovations, customer centricity, sustainability, and by our values. And when we break up all these into various elements, we find that broadly all these 17 goals gets aligned to it. We have also philosophy and belief that clean and green creates more prosperity and happiness. Now when we talk of prosperity, prosperity goes very well with reducing poverty. So how business can play a role in bringing down poverty? Yes, it's our duty to bring down poverty and to reduce poverty, more particularly for the society in which we are working, the stakeholders who are with us from the society. And by creating more employment, that is one way of doing it, which we are doing and all the businesses are doing. The second would be how to create opportunities for the society so that it can generate employment, it can generate income, and it can give the right food and the right way of living. In our organization, we have Dalmia Bharat Foundation, which works on various social activities which benefits, and if you look at that, we will find that we are providing education and at the same time the resources by which the villagers can use smokeless chullas, by which their life can be large, and we can avoid the early deaths which are happening in many cases. We do provide various type of irrigation facilities. We do provide various types of agricultural apparatuses. We do provide various type of seeds which brings up their income, and this is how we are committed that we can reduce poverty, we can ensure that yes, people are able to eat their food in time. Similarly, how to ensure that people are healthy and well-being. very small things which we have done. And this I am sharing so that all such small stories and big stories can be shared in India also and worldwide. We have banned smoking and gutka chewing in our organization. We know very well that gutka chewing or tobacco chewing leads to cancer. And that's why we have banned it, and we can proudly say that we might have achieved 95% success in our organization. And similarly, we do measure and we do monitor the health of the people so that our group people are always happy and always healthy. Similarly, how to create pride in our own people, and for that purpose, we do work on clean climate, green climate, and I'm happy to share that the so-called cement sector, which is known as one of the very high emitter of CO2, and in that context, if I may say that first, Indian cement sector is one of the best and efficient cement sector in terms of global cement sector. Secondly, in terms of India also, our group also has the least carbon footprints in India, and that way our all people have that pride that my organization is working for better climate and we are one of the responsible citizens. Similarly, how to generate clean power. So we have worked on, we are generating power from wind, we are generating solar power, we are working on how to generate power from waste heat of cement plants. Similarly, how to be energy efficient by using the latest technology, by having various innovations. And I may say that our group is having one of the lowest power consumption in cement sector. Similarly, how we can be part of the associations so that we can spread what we are doing, and at the same time, we can also learn from the associations which are doing great job. And accordingly, we are member of Cement Sustainability Initiative, a group of WBCST. We are part of TERI, we are part of CIITC Sustainability. We are part of various such organizations. We have also become part of now getting carbon price right. We are now signatory of WASH, which ensures that yes, that there is a right water. Similarly, how to ensure that we consume least water and at the same time we harvest water. I'm happy to share that out of our 11 located plants, we have one plant which is water positive, and we have now target that by March 2017, our 3 plants should also be water positive. This way, we would be contributing to the sustainability of the planet, we will be contributing to the sustainability of our organization also, and we would be contributing to the sustainability of the people also. Now, in the end, I would like to share that ultimately what and why we are talking about sustainability. What's our goal? In my view, ultimate goal of each one of us is happiness. Am I right? No? Yes. So our goal is happiness. And when we work for sustainability, we work for clean climate, we work for giving food to the people, we work for the clean energy, we do create happiness, and our philosophy of the organization that be happy and make others happy. So our sustainability goals, our business goals, our social goals, all goes together. And that's why we are very happy that, yes, these sustainability goals which has been taken up by UN and with the help of various organizations that would create such an awareness that everywhere we would be sustainable. And for the country like India, where we are struggling with poverty, we are struggling with having clean power, we are struggling with how to create urbanization, I think it's a great opportunity. And I'm sure various organizations which are involved in these efforts, they would also come up and would show that what they have done. They would showcase their stories and they would also motivate others. Now to strengthen up these efforts, we have decided also that we would be instituting now Dalmia Bharat Cement Center of Excellence for SDGs. We will be now coming out with the center which can work on how to create sustainability development goals success, and we would be able to contribute in a big way so that with the help of various organizations globally and of India, we can proudly say after a few years that India is one of the leaders in SDGs. Thank you, friends.